Amazon? What could this be, guys? Awesome! Hey guys, welcome back or to the channel. Amazon came. Awesome guys. I've been waiting for the second package for a while. For you guys that watch my videos, you know what came in the first package. Let's open this puppy up. First package was our switch panel. The 12-volt plug in it. Regulator so you know what's going on. 2 USBs. 5 switches. I was waiting for one other package, guys. One other package. Let's break into this, shall we? Oh yeah. The puck lights, guys. The puck lights came. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Look at how small these are. Let's open one up. Let's take a look and see what we got. Just a little top ring. Little diffuser. And it looks like we have, let's take a look here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 LEDs in here. Little screw holes right on the back. Awesome. So as you know, we insulated the camper, but I didn't do a lot of the wiring before. Because where I'm putting lights and stuff and wiring, I can still get at it even with the insulation board on. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. What do you think, guys? Should we start trying to put some of these in the camper? Why not, right? So exciting, guys. So exciting. Let's go in the camper. Okay, guys. I got a thinking. One of the very first things I think we need to do, this plug for little puck lights. We don't need this. So it's going to be loud. That's what we're going to use. This hole, that's going to be where the panel goes. Right here, guys. Just like that. Puck lights. Right under there. Be above the sink, above the stove, or one in the middle. I don't know. We'll have to see. Up top. See, this is why I insulated right away. Because all the wiring fits right through. No matter where I go. So let's get this rolling, guys. Okay, guys, we're hooking up lights. I stopped it. I wanted to see what kind of mess I was going to make. So we're going to make the ones in the very center dimmable. So that's what this is going to be. No, it's not going to be hanging out of the cupboard like this. I'm just seeing what it looks like for now. And then I didn't buy a ground block. So here's my little Mickey Mouse thing that I did for ground. You gotta see this. So these are all the grounds are going to go in here just like this.
And as we said, we're going to use a battery connected all.
So yeah, the battery cable goes from in here up here somewhere. I've got it marked. Right there.
It's in there.
That's ground. That's battery. If you guys are wondering what type of wire I'm actually using, so this is some 14 gauge wire, and inside the wire, this would have been better one. I'm sorry guys, I'm sleeping at the wheel. Inside the wire you have your 14 gauge, so you've got double insulated. This is what's going down to the battery, even though the LED lights that we're putting in have very, very thin wiring.
They're like puck lights, so they don't require it.
Very thin, as you can see. I don't even know if it's 22 gauge or whatever, but it's very, very thin wiring. It takes next to no draw, so I'm not so concerned about that. But anywhere I can, if you look up here, I actually did use the stronger wiring. So that's what's going on right now. And I did where I tied it together. This is how I've tied it together. So they are crimped with pressure crimps on there. And I do always put a little bit of tape on there just because I like to do that when I'm done. This will all be nice and neat and tucked up in here. So I'm just going to finish this light here, guys.
And we'll show you when we test it out.
Well, you know what? Let's drill a hole while you're watching. So here's what's going to happen. There's already, from the existing light was already in here. There's a piece of plywood in here. All I'm going to do is the one puck light, because they actually are pretty bright, is going to go right here. And this will cover where our sink is going and where our stove is going. So I think only one is needed in here. There's going to be 4 puck lights in here, plus a light strip and some fairy lights.
And
so,
two of them are going to be dimmable.
Yeah, the ones in the middle are going to be dimmable.
There'll be tons of light.
There's going to be lots of light. The nice thing is it's going to be very low draw, so when we're boondocking, we don't have to worry about it. So right now, I'm going to make some noise. Let's drill a hole. We got her. So how's this going to work, guys? Really easy. Sorry, I'm still with you. It's all good. So all we're doing, the puck lights that we got that you saw Amazon brought me. Sometimes it's like Christmas. You know what? When it's tough times, guys, you gotta have fun. Gotta still try and smile. Just because.
Take your mind off what's going on.
Take your mind off the troubles once in a while. So all I'm gonna do is take this light. What if I didn't drill this hole big enough? Of course I drew it big enough. It's going to go through the little thing, and it's going to go right here.
And to rectify this hole that we seem to have from the old light that was in here, we're just going to put paneling along the bottom so it just sits flush up there. That'll be the next step, paneling.
But for now, just so we can see how this is going to work,
Are you going to stick it up there?
it's right there. That's not where it's staying. It's going to go right where this hole is, and you won't even notice a hole is going to be there.
Just so it's closer to underneath the sink.
So this is going to get wired directly to my switch. The switch.
Yay.
You guys see this switch? Can you see it okay?
He's so happy about the switch.
I love this switch. I'm telling you. So this switch, it's going to get wired directly. So that's
Houston, we have a problem.
a lot of extra wire.
Oh, don't cut it. Okay.
She hates when I cut wire.
I
She hates it when I do this, guys. Oh, there we go.
You need the little knobby thing on the end?
No,
Okay.
that can go
I
into
am
my
not
wire
the
pile.
electrician by any means.
So
As you can tell by the techno term, knobby thing.
normally you use wire strippers or whatever to separate them. I can just stick my fingernail in there. So I don't know if you guys can see. I'll try and show you. On one wire there's a dash. Can you see that?
I can't tell.
There's a little dash gray in there, and one's a solid white. The one with the dash is your negative wire. And then when you're doing this, guys, you can take multiple different strippers. There's these kind of strippers you can use. Right? They strip the little wire. You can get these big, clunky, goofy looking things that strip wire on the bottom. You can get these kind that strip wire.
You got a couple of tools.
So
For all the same
they all
thing.
strip wire. You can even get automatic ones that strip wire. Well, when it's small enough, you can just strip the wire. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get this.
Equipped with those. No tools required.
I'm gonna get this wired up, guys. I'll be right back.
Stay tuned.
When I start wiring up the switch, so you guys can see, it'll be not even a second for you guys. It's up. It's up and running. It's awesome. Right now, Marcy has her phone in there charging. You know what? Let's turn a couple lights on. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. It's up. And here's the thing. All about keeping on a budget. You know those e-bikes? Those electric bikes? We're running this off of one of the batteries from it right now, which is a 12 volt, 20 milliamp hour battery. We have 4 of them. We already have them. We don't have to go buy a battery. It's awesome, guys. This is awesome. I'll show you more. It's dark now. Show you more when it gets a little lighter, exactly how it's hooked up, what it actually looks like. But this is amazing, guys. This is really amazing. That's right, guys. That's what it looks like. Now that we know the exact placement of the lights, where they're going to go, the wiring is ran. All it is, we have to put some paneling up, and then it's good to go. I am really impressed with this thing. Really impressed with this thing. Amazing. Amazon lights. Amazon puck lights. Amazing. Wait until you see how this is hooked up during the day. Like I promised, I would show you exactly what we're using for power to run all these lights and that cool switch. Here it is, guys. So it's not a lot right now. It's just that electric bike battery. Like I said, we have 4 of them. Four, not 4. 4 of them. So it's going to be awesome until we upgrade, start doing solar stuff like that, which you definitely want to check out when we do that. But guys, if you like videos like this, please smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And do me a favor, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of the next upcoming video. Marcy and I would greatly appreciate it. Until next time, guys. Have an awesome day, and thank you for watching.